At Sierra Subaru, we believe in giving back to our community and promoting a healthier lifestyle for families. That's why we proudly sponsored this special event, providing the Santa Anita YMCA team with all the cooking materials needed for their healthy cooking classes during the summer. Father's Day is a time to honor and appreciate the dads in our lives. And what better way to do that than through a fun-filled cookie baking class? Today, these young chefs are not only learning how to bake and decorate healthy cookies, but they're also creating heartfelt treats to celebrate their dads. Through the Sierra Subaru Love Promise, we strive to make a positive impact in our community. Supporting events like the Santa Anita YMCA Father's Day Cookie Class is just one way we fulfill our promise of spreading love and joy.
All right, Alan Sliwa here, ESPN LA, also here for Sierra Subaru. Really cool event. Every single week, a couple times actually a month, Sierra Subaru is doing something within the community. Today we're here in Monrovia, and we are doing an event at the YMCA. And basically you got these kids making Father's Day cookies for Father's Day. So let me walk you around here. And we got trained professionals here. Trained professionals. All right, what'd you put on here? Happy Father's Day? Is that what you got there? It's okay. Don't worry about it. Look at this cookie. You don't think his dad's going to be excited about that? We got some more over here.
Together with the Santa Anita YMCA, we're making a difference, one cookie at a time. Thank you for letting us join in promoting healthy cooking and strengthening the bonds between fathers and children.
Hello, my name is Gabriel Gonzalez and I'm the Executive Director of the Santa Anita Family YMCA. And today we have a community Father's Day cookie class that we are doing for children 3-year-olds to 12-year-olds. And here to my left we have our chef, Jimmy Dominguez.
Hello, my name is Jimmy Dominguez, and the reason I chose to do this today is to honor fathers for their very special day, and also to work with children. I have history working with children and I love working with them. So teaching them how to eat healthier is something that's very special to me. So today we have oatmeal chocolate chip cookies and we're going to decorate them so that they can give them to their parents. Back to you, Gabriel.
And a big shout out goes out to Sierra Subaru of Monrovia for being here today and donating all of the supplies that were needed to have this class. Thank you.
Okay, they're gonna start making the icing. We're gonna keep baking. So we appreciate you guys watching the video, and thank you to Sierra Subaru putting this all together.
2 cups of powdered sugar. Somebody want to hold it?